What's up guys, your girl Saucy Cooks I, and I'm back again with another video. And today y'all got Chef Hari in the building because I will be making, drum roll please, sushi.
I don't want you, babe, stop playing. Bring that thing my way, I'm saying. All of these dumb games you playing, and breaking down all the chains that you play.
If you guys like that new intro, you know I definitely try to switch it up. Tell me in the comment section down below. Y'all can follow the person who made the song to that intro. It is not released yet, but he has tons of songs that are already out. Y'all can go check those out already. He has more coming. He recently dropped a mixtape, so y'all can check that out. Go click the link in his bio and listen to all the other songs he came out with already. And the person who made the beat throughout my video, y'all can also follow him on Instagram and check out his beats. Along with them, y'all can follow me on Instagram at Saucy Cooks Hari and follow me on Twitter at Saucy Cooks Hari. If you are new here, welcome and subscribe. And if you are not new here, you know, thank you for 100 subscribers, and thank you guys for liking, viewing, commenting on my videos. Like, I really do appreciate it. You know, 200 is next and we're about to get there soon. So guys, my lovely friend Naisha sent me the 3 main ingredients that I'll be using to make this sushi. Let's look in the box. Subscribe. So she bought me the nori rolls. I can't really tell you what brand that is, but I can tell you it's a 10 count. So it comes with 10 pieces. She also bought me this rice, which the brand is Nishiki. It is a 32 ounce bag of rice, and it is perfect for sushi rice because it has to be sticky rice. She also bought me this sriracha mayo, which, you know, adds a little sauce, a little zest to your thing. You know, I call it spicy mayo. Before we even get into that, I gotta show y'all these fried crab sticks that I made the other day. So basically, you know, I dipped it in the egg, rolled it in the flour, mixed with the panko breadcrumbs, and I just put it in the pan, you know, moved it around, and, you know, I was just chefing it up. Really, this has nothing to do with the sushi at all, but, you know, I just want to show you guys, you know, what I made, because we also used to buy fried crab sticks from this Chinese store on the corner of my house. So, you know, it's really giving, this vlog is really giving Asian cuisine. It's giving Chinese. It's giving Chef Chun Saucy. But this is how it came out, guys. You know, we just threw some parsley on there, you know, for the presentation vibes, and we just put some of the sauce. We used the same sauce I showed you guys before, and it looked great. It looked great. And, you know, I just threw some asparagus on there with that, and some mac and cheese, some Velveeta mac and cheese. Oh, subscribe again, period. But now let's get into this sushi. So first things first, what you want to do is pour your rice into a bowl and just really thoroughly rinse it, because you just don't know what happens when they put this rice together. Like, you gotta really rinse it. This is my mom's hands right here. She was just washing the rice for me. Then after your water is boiled, you pour your rice in, and you just, you cook it up for a little bit, and this is how it turns out. It was very sticky. Like, I was actually surprised. So then I just put it in 2 bowls to put it in the fridge. So I'll just show you guys the ingredients again. You have the nori sheets, the sticky rice. I use cucumbers, avocados, cream cheese, crab, salmon, and the sriracha sauce. And what you want to do is thoroughly wash your produce, your fresh produce. So I washed the avocados and I washed the cucumbers, and then I got right into it. I started slicing up the cucumbers. You know, I just wanted it to be in thin strips. I don't know if you guys ever had sushi before, but it's usually in thin strips. I didn't know how to do that without taking out the inside, so I took all those seeds out, and that's what I had, and I just started slicing it up. After that, you know, you gotta bust open an avocado. You gotta slice the avocado up, right? So, you know, you slice that up. Then you just take out the seed and you keep slicing. Then you also slice up the crab. You just want it to be very thin. You don't want sushi to be overpacked. Then I got right into making my first roll. First, you just roll the rice on the nori sheets, and it is very sticky. So you got to use a spoon and rub it around, or like a knife or something. And I had to keep moving between that and the sink so I could wash the rice off my hands, because it sticks, like it really sticks to your hands. So I did that, and this kind of took me a long time, especially for the first one, because I wasn't too sure exactly how it was supposed to be. But for this first one, I definitely kept it as the rice being on the inside of the roll and not on the outside. So after that, you just choose what you want to go inside of your sushi. First, I put cucumbers, and I kind of just put it a little bit to like one side so that's not really in the middle. Then I put avocados on there, and yeah, you just make sure that it's aligned neatly. This actually looks really good. I might just start making sushi for a living. No, I'm joking. Then I put crab on there, and then this was the struggle right here, trying to roll it. But it actually didn't come out too bad. So, you just roll. I use a wrap as like a guidance, and then I cut it up. To cut it, I also kept dipping the knife in water. I'm not sure why, actually. I just seen a video, and that's what they did, and the man was Asian. So I said, you know what? Who knows how to do it better than an Asian man? So I followed him. This is how it looks when I plated the first one. I think I did a very good job. Right into the second one, you go back in again, you roll that rice on there. So after I got it rolled on the way I wanted to, I flipped this one over, and I just started putting stuff inside. I went in with the cucumbers first again. Then I went in with the cream cheese. And a lot of you might be like, why cream cheese? And I also went in with salmon. But if you don't eat sushi, then this is called the Philadelphia roll. It usually has cream cheese, salmon, and cucumbers inside of it. So yeah, and then I put spicy mayo inside just to add a little zest to it. Then I rolled it up. This one was also a struggle, only because the rice was like coming apart. This one don't look too good, but I mean, we still tried, we still did a thing. I just kept rolling in. Then I started cutting, and I kept dipping the knife again. And this was terrible. The rice kept coming off. But this is how my plate looks after I plated the first two. I don't think it looks too bad. I look like a real chef. So I'm not going to show you guys that process again, but what I will show you is when I made my fourth one, I actually wanted to deep fry it. So I rolled it in eggs, and I rolled it in flour. And, I just put it right in the pan, just like I did the crab sticks. And that's how my final plate looks. Ooh wee! I wish you guys were able to taste it, because it tastes so good. My mom really loved it. My little sister really loved it. And, we felt like we had sushi. But yeah, that was it. I know you guys are not able to taste the sushi, but I just want you guys to rate how well you think I did based off of how it came out, like how it looks and stuff like that. And don't forget, follow Mary Plain James and follow the person who made the beats. I'll put both of them on the screen. And follow me on Instagram at Saucy Kid Horror, and also follow me on Twitter at Saucy Kid Horror. So peace.
Breaking down all the chains that you place on, and let you know one thing that is there.